Hey there. It's an intense time for a lot of people. A lot of stuff is coming up for healing. And deep down, we'd like to have that healing, but we don't always like it when our stuff is coming up for healing. One of the most powerful spiritual practices I know is to be grateful when our stuff is coming up for healing and give it to the higher Holy Spirit self for healing. So rather than trying to manage and cope with what's coming up for healing, we give it away to the higher Holy Spirit self and we allow ourselves to experience the healing that we desire. So, as we probably know, consciously or unconsciously, the fastest path to healing is forgiveness. Forgiveness is letting go of our interpretations and the meaning we made of things. You know what else forgiveness is? Forgiveness is the decision to stop torturing ourselves with what we like and what we don't like. We can give up that painful perspective and live in joy. We can stop learning through pain and we can stop learning through contrast, and we can really become super masterful at learning through joy. That is a goal of mine personally. I get closer every day, and I'm inviting you to join me. I've been teaching forgiveness since 2000. That's 18 years. And I love it. More than 18 and a half, let's say, years I've been teaching forgiveness, and I just love it. It is so powerful. It is so transformative. It is so healing. Through forgiveness, I've seen people heal their problems with lack and limitation, whether it's lack and limitation in our experience of love, in our experience of healing our physical body, ridding ourselves of physical, emotional, and mental pain. Forgiveness is the number one tool that we have. Other people are our salvation. And yet, if you're like me, you've been holding on to stuff rather than forgiving it. So that's why I've been teaching forgiveness all these years, right? We teach what we are learning and need to learn. And that was the big thing I needed to learn. No question about it. So I'm so glad to be able to share a free workshop with you. I love to teach this workshop live in person. I just did my retreat, my Forgive and Be Free retreat, which was awesome. Everybody walked away with extraordinary healing and transformation, so much lighter than when they came in the door. And so I'm inspired to offer a free live video workshop for you. I'm inviting you to place it in your calendar. Plan to come and show up live. Just think of it. People from all over the world live doing a forgiveness workshop. I'm inviting you to come and join me. Let's do this. It's going to be 3 hours. Yes, we'll take a bathroom break in the middle, but we are going to do this 3 full hours. Let's go. Let's do it together. There's never been a better time. We're coming up to the holidays. Let's heal the family stuff, the political stuff, and not carry it around anymore so we can get to the work that's at hand, right? We're light workers. Let us bring the light rather than ruminate over the darkness. Now's our time to shine. All boats rise on this tide of love. The link is right here in this post. Please, it's totally free. Share this video. Share it with your friends. Post it on your Facebook page. Let everyone you know that this free workshop is available. Come live. It won't be the same if you watch it later. Come live. We're going to do real work in real time together. I love you. I thank God for you. And I am so glad we are choosing to let the past go together. Mwah!